crying out.
Howdy.
That's Travis. I'm Kevin. And this is H&H Prospecting. If you're already a subscriber, thanks for tuning back in. We greatly appreciate you guys. If you haven't subscribed yet, we hope you like what you see today and you stay tuned towards the end of the video and you hit that subscribe button at the end. Hey, so we're back over yonder river, right off the None Your Business boat launch. Finally got some rain here in Southern Oregon, cleared out the smoke. Had a really good time here a few days ago, so we're back at it trying to get that shiny. So I want to kind of show you guys where we're at and what we're hoping to accomplish with where our holes are. We've done little test spots all over this area that we're in the last 2 years, and it came up with color pretty much everywhere. When we came out last time, Travis picked one side of the bedrock and I was at the other. I didn't realize it, he did, and both came up with the best color that we've seen so far. So let's kind of show you why we think where it's depositing and what we're going for. So come along with me here. Down here at the end of the bedrock, exposed bedrock all the way here. Before it rises again and dumps into the river, it drops. So here's Travis. You can see just how gritty this is and how rough that is. That's going to hold on to that gold, whether it's small or big, and flow down. Now as we walk here, you can see this is all exposed bedrock. The river's flowing towards us. Exposed bedrock with large cobble on this side of it. And here I am basically at the top of it. So the idea here, the thoughts and the hopes are, is to just shoot right down this line on this side of the bedrock, removing the big cobble and looking for the shiny underneath it. But with that, you can't get any shiny sitting on your hiney. It's a pitter patter. Let's get at her. Alright guys, now that I got them big rocks out of the way, and once I catch my breath again, those big guys there, along with that one, we're wedged here. What I'll do is I'll break up all this material, get it in the hole, get it through a classifier in the bucket, and we'll take it down to the sluice. So what I used to do in the past is I basically take a scoop, put it in the bucket or in the classifier, and just as I go. But I learned that I move a lot more material a lot more quickly if I just bust up a bunch of material first and then fill a bucket. Seems to go a lot quicker for that for me that way. Last time we were out, we were using 1/2-inch classifiers because this is small gold and the sluice water isn't running really fast and we don't want to blow that small gold out. We decided to use our 1/4-inch classifiers today just to kind of help that material wash out the sluice better. Travis probably already has a full bucket. We've only been here for about 40 seconds, so he's probably ran 3 buckets already, knowing that guy. So I better get at it. I ain't gonna get no shiny playing with the camera. So Travis ran his first bucket. Seems to be about 20 or so small colors there in the siding mat. Great sign, great sign. A little bit of mercury in there too. All great signs that we're still on it. I'm going to start running my first bucket, see what we come up with. Alright, I think I'm done pulling buckets out of this hole for today. As you can see, we have moved some really big rocks. I think I got 2 of those rocks on camera, but there was even another overhanging that big old son of a mungo. So now that I am done getting all the big material out, all the buckets, got it ran through the sluice. Travis is down there now running the last of his. We'll go show that sluice in a second, but now we're going to go back and actually brush it out and clean the bedrock into our pan, and we'll see what that leaves us with. So we need a brush, we need a pan, and we need a classifier. So let's get that brushed out and see if we left anything in. So as we can see, Travis has gotten his hole mostly brushed out here as well, and he's about got it done pan. So let's go jump down there to the river and see if he left anything in the hole. Down in a hole, searching for gold. I want some shiny. Show me what you got. Should I get out of the sun? Come to the other side. That piece. A piece there. One piece up top on that black sand. Oh no, I see the camera in my face, can't see it, baby. I see a couple pieces up there. Oh, yeah, down there. That bigger one sticking out of the black sand up top. Oh, that's a good thing you went back with that paintbrush. That's 10 plus colors in there, and nice piece. That's after pulling buckets. Always go back and finish cleaning your hole. Nice work, man. Let's see if I got anything in my. Before Travis gets the sluice pulled out and cleaned out, see if we can pick up what's in the siding mats. See some nice big piece of mercury covered. There's got to be 35, 40 or more small pieces. A couple nice flakes in there. Hopefully the camera catches them. A couple big pieces of mercury, surprising for being up and out of the water. But then again, you said you found crawfish underneath down there, so gold doesn't care. It'll go where it wants to. I'm going to spin my pan. Travis is going to get that cleaned out. And then we're going to come back to it. And then. See one little piece already. That black sand's heavy. Doesn't want to move down the pan. Old Alabama Slamma tapping. Here's a piece of shiny. That black sand is about as heavy as, insert your mom joke here. One piece, two piece. Four piece, five piece. Six piece. There she goes. Alright, nothing I pulled back out yesterday, but still 5 or 6 nice little colors left in there. Here's what's coming out of the sluice box. So much black sand, you could shake a gold stick at it. Again, guys, so much black sand in the small stuff, so we're not going to sit here and clean this and pan this all down the river. We'll take it home and add it to our other cons, and when the weather's crappy or I am more lazy than usual, we'll run it through a blue bowl and clean it. But for now, it's always good to take a quick sneak peek at it, and there's a piece rolling down over there. That's a nice chunker. Ooh, shiny. Let me just get that camera in your face so you can't see what you're doing, Trav. Oh, some... Hey, you. Hey, you guys. They're shiny and not they're singing. Oh, another one. Another one comes out the sand. Ah. Oh, another chunky right behind it. And here comes the murk. So I see some stuff sitting on the edges. Well, there's the mercury. A couple mercury balls rolling down. There's one. Oh, there they are. Down. Mercury. Cleaning up the rivers. As prospectors do. Alright, let's get this cleaned up. Get back home for a safety meeting and a sody pop. I think that's about going to wrap it up for us today. Another great day out on the river. But of course, any day out on the river is better than a day at home, because you can't get that shiny sitting on your hiney. We have been lucky. Like I said earlier in the video, we got a little bit of a rains. Finally cleared out some of that smoke. It's actually pretty warm and muggy down here. Actually broke a sweat today. It was nice. I want to give another big shout out as always to Armadillo Mining. If you guys need anything, always available for you. I'll put a link in the description below to the website. Get a hold of them. Sam will take care of you. Again, another big thank you to our subscribers. If you haven't subscribed yet already, hit that subscribe button, mash that like button. If not for us, do it for Star-Lord. A like a day keeps Thanos away. But I think that's going to do it for us today. Guys, as always, we appreciate you. Get that shiny. Oh man, blackberries. Oh jeez.